Hey. Get out of your house. Nice door.
Yo guys, what is going on? Today we're gonna be playing a new game called Burn Runners. But yeah, let's just play a little bit. Yeah, it is really fun, by the way. You have to have side quests. You have to connect your Oculus to a PC or a computer. But
Where do you want to go?
it is free, and the cosmetics are also free. So it's like, or you could just like enable and you'll have it.
Where do you want to go?
But yeah, let's play Forza Lava first.
Well, you're the one that sleeps with your mama. You sound younger than me.
Why you call me 3?
You sound
What was
way
that
younger
for?
than me.
It's kind of like Girl
I
Attack.
can't hear ya.
It's a little bit different.
We can't
It's
hear
like
you.
slippery.
I can't hear you.
See,
I can't hear you.
it's kind of like,
I can't hear you.
watch.
I can't hear you.
Everything's like slippery.
I can't hear you.
There we go.
You're not 14. There's no way in hell you are. I did not say you 14. You don't know the 13. No, the other kid that is screaming. No, wait. No, I wasn't screaming. Have y'all seen the Dreamers Hospital?
But
Yeah, I've seen it. You were the only one that was pretty good. How old are you?
so I'm gonna go like this.
How old are you? I had a second.
There you go.
I already told you.
L.
Oh god,
Why not?
it's kind of hard. Not gonna lie.
So why does the bird have hair?
I'm gonna go slow.
L again.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
And again.
No. Oh my god. I might be able to like.
And you are not 15 years old, but here we are lying to each other. He didn't say he's
Being careful.
I said 13. I'm 12. You're not 12. I am 12. That's a little bit cool. That's a little bit cool. This kid has
It's so like weird.
Oh, you have
It like
you sound younger than me.
just slips and you have to keep moving your hand the whole time. Like even if you're standing still, you just have to. It's so weird.
I'm 18 years old and like
You're like 2, kid.
bro, you are not 18. You sound like 3.
Oh my god.
No, duh.
Oh my god. Shut up, kid. Oh my god.
Wait, no, push the J-Man head against the fence. And like you can look out of the map.
Oh.
See, I just looked out of the map. You have to jump into the J-Man head while close to the fence.
Oh my god. Wait, I just glitched out of the map. Heck? Okay, so.
I just found a new glitch, bro. How let's play that lava game.
Let's just do that.
Tell us the lava game. Tell us your
It's about to rise, I think. Oh my god.
I did not leave. I did not leave. I just don't want to hear you. So I muted your ass.
This. I made it.
Let's play that lava game.
But I think I could do the,
You said you muted me, then how
Can I
did you
just-
mute me?
hold on.
Cause I didn't mute you. Exactly. You are so
Don't-
gullible. Like you actually thought that you can hit people.
Look at this.
Never mind. And plus, you can't. I'm gonna play Floor's Lava. Who's gonna come play with me? Nobody.
Bro.
Alright, I'm playing it by myself.
How much easier could I get it?
Oh, you're playing it.
No!
Your bird got hair.
I hate that kid that's talking so much. You hate that kid, bro, like so much like you don't even know.
Bro, it's so weird.
Oh, that-
Yeah. probably watch anime. Let me guess. You sim for like Sakura or like or like Hinata?
He knows it.
You sim for like Hinata or like Naruto?
No. Which anime did you watch for it to be so bad?
I didn't watch anime.
What the heck?
Then exactly, you can't say if it's bad if you
It sucks.
I watched.
Oh my god.
I watched
Yeah,
Naruto and it sucks.
If you
Naruto is mid, bro. Naruto's one of the worst enemies to start on. Why would you start on?
let me guess. Jojo's Bizarre Adventure is the best.
Every kid starts on that show, bro.
Oh my god.
What?
No.
What did he say?
That's like gayness beyond gayness.
What the hell is that? That's why you should watch it. Cause you're gay.
You're gay.
Y'all are weird, bro.
Yeah. 18 me. Yep, this kid's gay. I'm gonna act like every single anime kid. Yeah. He's gay. He's gay.
Alright,
Bro. Oh, let's go.
Nah, the
Is it
first
just
season
me or
of
I'm waiting for
JoJo
the
is
lava?
very bad. It's the worst
Fine.
season.
Not wait
But
for the lava
second-
then.
Yeah. I
The
can't
sec-
do
like,
this.
I like
I
waiting
hate
for the
Boruto.
The
lava.
good part starts at the second season in JoJo. The first season is horrible.
Oh.
I wouldn't know.
JoJo and it kind of sucks. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, the first season is really bad. I skipped the first season. That's how bad it was.
I'm waiting until the lava rises up.
But like it
It's
starts
this
getting
Well,
good
every
at like
first
season
season-
2, and it starts getting really good like at season 5.
Every season 1, for some reason, sucks.
Just wall climb it.
Yeah, but it's because they haven't gotten to the plot yet, the main part.
Hinata.
Oh,
Oh, there you go. Hinata! I sim for Hinata! Uwu. Uwu. Hinata! I can tell you simp. I can tell you. I was acting like you, first of all. Anime kid. Shut up, not even a girl. Anime kid, Hinata! Hinata! Hinata!
I just went through the lava. What? I just went through the lava.
Oh, you guys are weird,
Under
bro.
the floor is lava.
Mariko! Sasuke!
Yeah.
Kakashi!
K-
Kakashi! Kakashi!
It's not Kakashi.
Kakashi! Kakashi! Listen for Naruto and Kakashi!
Kakashi.
Bro, you're saying the name so wrong. Kakashi! Kakashi Hinata! Hinata! Kakashi! Yeah, this kid's so gay. Hinata! Kakashi! Yeah, that's why you're getting yelled at. That's why you're getting yelled at.
Wait, hello?
Hello?
Bro, that's why you're getting yelled at. That's why you're getting yelled at. That's why you're getting yelled at.
These kids are weird,
That's
bro.
why you're getting yelled
What's-
at by your dad.
Wait, this is my first time.
I like that one too. Okay. Now we get to the place where we lie.
Oh, come on. Who wants to wait for the lava like me? Connor,
Yeah, that's what I was doing, but no one was waiting.
come on this platform.
No, you just die. Hinata and Kakashi. Kakashi! Hinata! Shut up. I'm acting like every single anime kid. Bro, no anime kid sounds like that. I mean, what? You watch anime? You watch anime?
Yeah.
No, the other guy. That says. You watch it?
I love it.
Anime sucks.
Oh,
Okay.
It do.
Hinata and Kakashi.
You're so weird, kid. Oh, I can't get up
Dude,
this.
I killed a Vulcan. I'm so good at heaven.
man, what the hell?
Oh my god.
I'm stuck in
Nope.
heaven.
Die.
Jojo, keep on walking, Vulcan. I am so good at heaven.
Eyes of heaven.
I'm dead as hell.
Oh, you weren't even supposed to go up that. You were supposed to
Am I the only one alive?
The tadpole
This.
riding on a pony stuck a feather in his ass and called him macaroni. And called him macaroni.
No, why are you pushing me? Why are you pushing me? No.
Guys, I super Naruto. I can tell. I super Naruto Uzumaki. I can tell. I'm acting like every single anime kid though, but anime sucks ass hole.
Rum. Come back to wait for the lava, Rez.
I'm scared of you.
I'm a modder. Everyone that kind of...
No, you're not.
Yeah, everyone... I think everyone... Side quest is a mod, I think.
Yeah, side quest basically is a
duh.
mod. Kind, not really.
I mean, I got arrested like 5 times trying to get it, but like,
That's what I'm saying.
Modder is like where you can like fly. Oh my God, chill. I'm gonna run away from you. I'm scared of you. I'm gonna go. Uh oh.
Hey, Pink, I could have made it.
Please don't go for me.
What's up, guys? Still up.
Pink, I technically made it.
Yeah, but I didn't push you up. I didn't push you up.
No, you
You
pushed me
can't
down.
push people off, dumbass.
Yes, you could.
No, you can't.
Yes, you could.
Wait. No, you can't. Wait, you can push people? Wait, I falling down.
How do you get out of the map? Oh, I think you go over here. This blue dude keeps. I think you go through like the J-Man's head. Hey, how do you get out of the map?
No, I fell.
I think it's J-Man's head.
Oh, Coke. I'm gonna be right back. I'm leaving. This kid.
I made it.
This anime.
made it,
This,
'cause I made it.
yes, finally. I don't like anime. This kid's.
Alright. Did anyone make it? Am I the only one that made it?
I could have made it, but like, I died. White. This is my last time meeting you. Bye. Finally, leave, please. You're annoying. Can you shut up? Can you shut up?
Look at the wall. Hey, Birdie, go back up, back up. Okay, now look at the wall. No, don't do it to me. Dang. I would've touched you. No running from me. I touched you.
You would never do
You're about
that.
to get cashy. You're about to get cashy.
I'm about Fortnite on you.
You got your cashy.
Did I really join that stupid anime kid again? Yep, I joined that stupid anime kid again. No, join the stupid anime kid.
Okay, screw that. I'm done.
I
Okay.
joined the anime kid again.
Let me go.
I joined the stupid anime kid. I know.
But he's doing that as a joke. He's saying everybody that watches anime.
Okay. Bye, everybody. I'm gonna end the video here. The game is very fun, but you can like fly.